Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Rishi Labs. In today's video, we will see how to download and install Ashampoo zip-free software. So let's get started. For this, you'll require a web browser. I'll make use of Google Chrome. In the search bar, you need to type Ashampoo zip-free download and press enter. You'll get this first link. You need to click on this link. So this is the official website to download. I'll click on this download button. This will auto start the download of the installer. We'll click on the open. You'll get a pop-up, select yes. I'll minimize the web browser. Click on agree and install. The setup is going to install the two apps. First, it is going to install a shampoo app, which helps you to manage all the other softwares, their licenses. So this software, a shampoo zip free, it's a free software, free tool to use. So we'll see step by step. See, first it is install a shampoo app. Now you need to have your Ashampoo login ID. So if you don't have, we can create it. Simply I'll log in, hit login button. Once you are logged in, it is going to give you the link to install the Ashampoo zip free software. So click on get. You'll get this install button. Click on install, click on next, accept. So this is going to download and install the Ashampoo zip free. And from this shampoo app, you can manage all the applications provided by the shampoo. You can install, uninstall them. You can also activate the product, manage the licenses. So you can see the status over here. The installation of the software has been successfully completed. I'll close this. Now we will click on launch. So this is going to start the zip-free software. All right. So with the software, we get all this tools and functionalities. You can create a new archive, open existing archive, encrypt files, decrypt files. Okay, but this is written as a pro, so they are the paid features. In tools, you get more features like batch archive creation, multiple extract, archive converter, repair archive. Okay, so let's go back. So now let's create a new archive. I'll select this new archive button. Let me select the desktop. On the desktop, we are going to create this file. So I'll just name it as test. Click on save. From this all archive, I'm going to select zip. Okay, and click on save. Now we need to add the files. Okay, we have created a test.zip, but it is blank. Inside that, we need to select a file which we want to zip. So I'll go back to desktop, and from the database, I'm going to select this file student. I'll click on add, but before clicking on this add button, over here there are options. Okay, you can select zip compatible, then compression, maximum, ultra, normal, fast, super fast. All these options are there. Then folder info, you can store relative paths. Okay, then encryption. Since we are not going to set any password, so no encryption. If we select AES encryption, then it is going to ask you to set a password. Okay, so I'll select no encryption. In spanning, you get different options. We are going to select no spanning, then click on add. You can see how quick it has created a test.zip file, and it is going to have the student.db. Okay, and you can check compression ratio and the size, modified date. Okay, I'll just close this application, minimize it. This is the desktop icon, and this is the test.zip file which we have created. Okay, I'll just click on this Ashampoo zip, select this app, and it is going to open this zip file, and we can see all the details of it. If I select this file and click on extract, it is going to extract this file. See, extraction is completed, and on the desktop under the documents you can find this student.scale file. So that's how it works. That's all for today, guys. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Rishi Labs. Thanks for watching.